Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize match information on HUD in Rainbow Six Siege. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icons in the top right corner of the screen, move to the options and here find the HUD. Now start to scroll down till you see match information tab, and there's multiple different settings. Match header that we can enable or disable, show status of teammates and opponents. Reinforcements pool, show team's reinforcement pool while playing defense. Diffuse timer, show diffuse timer when diffuser is planted. Match timer, show time left in a current match. Round number, show current round number. Match updates, show match updates in match feedback such as player eliminations. Bans, show ban updates in match feedback. Score updates, show your score updates in match feedback. Destroyed drones, show number of destroyed drones while playing defense, only counts regular drones. Objective tracker, show which objective have been allocated, only appears in a certain game modes such as disarm bomb in training grounds. Versus update, show remaining attackers versus defenders after each elimination. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.